Hey everybody, good morning. It's Monday, March 23rd, and I just wanted to talk to you real quick about the Green Team Academy. If you are choosing the intermediate level or advanced level of learning for this week, you may want to get back into the Green Team Academy. You want to go to the Team Dynamics 802 homepage. You want to hover over the Green Team, and then you're going to see there's a drop-down menu. And you can do two things. You can go to the climate change page, and I'm going to click on that right now. And many of you, if not most of you, have already completed portions of the Green Team Academy Climate Change module. So remember, there's the Educate, the Act, the Connect, and the Communicate badges, which you can earn through this portion of the Green Team Academy. All you do is you scroll down, you figure out which badge you want to earn, and then you follow the instructions and make sure that if you have questions, you're emailing Mr. Taylor. Most of you, again, have finished the Educate portion. You finished the Act section, and now you would be moving down into, sorry, I'm scrolling down here quickly. You would move into the Connect part, which is where you create a Google slideshow of at least 5 slides. It has the information and criteria right here. And then at the bottom, you can also work on a Communicate badge. And the Communicate badge, because we're working with technology and we're learning remotely, you can do a podcast, or you could do a poster or a model or even a video about what people can do to communicate about climate change and what we need to do to be more sustainable. So that's part one. That's the Green Team Climate Change module. The other module that's out there is the UN SDGs. And if you click on that link, there's 3 additional badges you can earn. There's a UN Global Goals Educate, there's a UN Global Goals Act, and then there's a UN Global Goals Communicate. And each of those badges, just like the climate change module, has a series of activities. And all you need to do is scroll down the page, read, review, and identify the criteria that you want to meet. And then when you are finished with that particular section, you just have to email Mr. Taylor at dont@mpsvt.org, and he will issue your certificate. So again, there's the Educate piece. These are really cool. These are comic books about climate and UN SDG goals. As we scroll down, there's another Act section, and then if you get to the very bottom, you'll see that there's a Communicate piece, which I'm still working on building. So again, if you're choosing the intermediate learning or the advanced learning for the week of March 23rd through March 27th, check out the Green Team Academy. Go to the Green Team page, click on the drop-down menu, and then figure out where you need to be earning your certificates. You guys are doing a great job. I continue to be impressed by your self-motivated, self-directed work. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll be happy to answer them. And just keep up the great work. You guys are doing awesome. Be safe, be healthy, and be in touch with questions. Thanks very much, and I'll talk to you soon.